My name is Chris. I work with Natural Gas Intelligence, and today we're going to talk about NGI historical data. We're going to do two things today. First, I'm going to show you how to navigate to historical data, and then we're going to show you how to use it. So let's start at the top left. Up here, we have our what we call a hamburger menu, which opens out. You'll find all of your historical products under Premium Data Services. If you open that, we have them organized by data series. So under Bidweek, you'll find Bidweek historical data. Under Daily, you'll find daily historical data, so on and so forth. A second way that you can find them is we have a blue subscriber bar here at the top. What these entitlements are a listing of pieces of subscriber content that you use on our website, and they're organized by how much you use them. So you can see that I use Forward Look the most, followed by Daily Gas Price Index, followed by our Data Snapshot tool. As you use historical data more and more, you will find it show up in the first area. However, you can use the arrows to navigate through the various different options you have access to. The third place you can navigate to historical data from is under My Premium Data. If you hover over this drop-down, it will again show you the same data series you saw on the hamburger menu. You can open up daily and see daily historical data, weekly and see weekly, so on and so forth. So let's go learn how to use daily historical data. Okay, so just a quick note about these pages. Each type of historical data has its own page. On any of the historical data pages, we have provided links to all the rest of them at the top, so you can jump between them and access any that you have access to by virtue of your subscription. The first thing we're going to do is you'll notice that we come up on daily Henry Hub prices by default with the default range. If we want to select a different point, we can just type in like ALG. It will autocomplete to all the points that match that. So we're going to pick Algonquin Citygate here, and you can see that it is waiting. It's waiting for me to put in a date range, but it will refresh with the default date range right there. And let's say that I just wanted to go back a couple months here, look at my Algonquin Citygate data, and once I select a date range, I actually don't have to hit enter. It will refresh on its own. If you like this date range and then wanted to select, say, Houston Ship Channel, you can just type in HOUS, it'll pop right up. As soon as you select it, you wait 1 second, your graph will change based on the same date range. So using the tool is actually rather easy. You also can type these in. So if you wanted to change this to 2010 and June 29th, you could do that, and this graph will change. Now it's going back 10 years. And you can see that we've shown a rather large date range there and some rather large variability at certain price spikes. To download this data, you would simply click Download Data, and it will download all Houston Ship Channel data for the date range which you have specified. It usually takes maybe 3 to 5 seconds to complete the query, and you can see that it will download with the historical data download tag and the correct point and the range, which is pretty nice. You also can, if you hover over the graph at any given point, you'll see that we have a little camera icon here. If you click that camera icon, it will download the plot that you've generated as a plot that you can use in presentations or whatever you like. That concludes our lesson for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good one. Bye.